So, see these pallets? See these pallets? Y'all see them? We can teach you how to do it too. You can do it too, whole thing, yeah. You can do it too, whole thing. How about you? One thing, two things, three things, four. We want to teach you how to get into the pallet liquidation business. Coach Ron, gonna teach you January the 20th from 9 to 12. I'm gonna be there. Your boy gonna be there. We're gonna have a Q&A. We're gonna feed you. We're gonna feed you. $98 to get in the door. If you can't make it, $50 to get you on Zoom. Get you in a Zoom, and you can watch us eat. You can watch us eating everything. You can watch the whole thing over Zoom. But this Saturday is the last Saturday to register. $98 to get you in. $198 for VIP. What's VIP? You get our vendor list. Yes, I almost stuttered. Vendor list. And you get 10% off you buying the whole thing. 10% off your first purchase. So come out January the 20th and network with us. Now, if you want to do, if none of that lines up with you and you just want to get our digital course, check this out. We're going to do it for $397. You can click on my link, my beacon link, and find out what we really sell it for. But $397, you get the digital course that we sit down and Coach Ron, ask Coach Ron questions about this business. He letting you know if you want to do it from the house, if you want to do it out of a storage unit. If you want to do it, he'll show you how to do it. The whole thing. So please register. You click on the link below and register. Go through my beacon link, or we can do it through Cash App. Just DM me, whatever platform this post on, DM me and I'll show y'all. But if it's on TikTok, click on that profile video, right? The profile up there, go to the link. You can do it like that. But just get at me. We're going to teach you the whole thing.